welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and welcome to another video of Divalogue series. I hope you guys are enjoying the Divalogue series. Also, there are two giveaways going on my channel, so rules are in the description box. Make sure you participate in the giveaway. Also, आज की वीडियो होने वाली है हिंदी में because I have never done a video in Hindi. I was supposed to say that in Hindi. Okay. Also, आज की वीडियो is going to be a unique one because जहाँ तक मैंने देखा no one has actually done this challenge on YouTube, so it's going to be more fun. So let me explain you what this ascending order food challenge is. So ascending order आपको पता ही है from smallest to biggest. So इस challenge में I'll be eating the smallest food first, and after that the next food which I eat should be bigger than the first one. Then bigger, so on. So basically the size of the food which I eat must go on increasing till the last. So that is all we need to do, and you will get a better idea once I start the challenge. So right now it's morning time, so the first thing which I'm gonna eat will be the smallest thing. So any guesses what that small thing is? Okay, before we eat that smallest thing, I have made a new channel, so this is how it looks like. It's called Binge with Shreya, so make sure you give it a check. I'm going to post some fun challenges there, so yeah. Also इस challenge में I'm not allowed to drink any liquids, no juices, no smoothies, because juices or smoothies को we can't measure according to the size, so only solid food is allowed, और वो भी from smallest to largest. So that is going to be the rules regarding this challenge. Also, let's start with the first thing. So I'm going to mention the time here so you can have an idea about what things I ate at which time. So the smallest thing, सबसे छोटी चीज for this challenge which I'm going to eat is, so I'm going to eat this almonds. So you can see the size of this almonds is, focus. So this is the size of the almond. So दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. ये पहली चीज होने वाली है जो मैं खा रही हूँ. इसके बाद वट एवर आई विल बी ईटिंग शुड बी बिगर देन दिस आलमंड. सो या दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई एट. Okay you guys, so right now it's 1 hour later than when you last saw me. So अब है time breakfast का. I usually don't do breakfast, but since we have time today we are going to eat something. Now जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था, the size of the food that I'm eating should be bigger than what I ate last. So last मैंने बादाम खाया था. So right now let's search for something which is bigger than almond. So for breakfast I'm going to have guavas. So you can see the size of guava is bigger than almond, of course. Also there's a rule to be followed. The size of the fruit should be counted, not the size of the pieces. So कोई भी चीज़ है you have to count it whole. ऐसा नहीं कि इसके pieces कर दो और फिर वो pieces है वो बड़ा है. That is not going to be counted. You have to count the whole fruit. So yeah, this is the size of the guava, and I'm going to eat this one. Guys, here are the guava. So I ate guava. Now it's time for lunch, because lunch में I have to eat something bigger than guava. और rice तो I cannot eat because rice is smaller than almond. So rice I cannot eat. Dal I cannot eat because it's liquid. Now let me show you what I'm gonna eat in lunch. और lunch में रोटी भी है, so how we are going to maintain that, let's see.
For lunch I have puri and potato की sabzi. So puri is basically bigger than guava. Also potato is bigger than guava. So we can consider this as lunch.
Hi guys, I'm back. So last you saw that I had my lunch. So I had potatoes and puris, smaller puris, and I had potato. So now it's time to eat something which is bit bigger than potato. So I have this thing, Mosambis, raw. It's raw, that's why it's green. So it's bit bigger than the potatoes that we had. You can see that's why I've carrying a bowl. It's the size of this bowl. So we are going to eat this one because it's evening time. Right now it's 5. So I actually don't eat fruits, but today I have ate lot of fruits. So yeah, we are going to eat this one. So let me just, I love this kind of fruits, tangy fruits. These are the only fruits I love. I love watermelons also. What are your favorite fruits? Because I'm a person who doesn't eat lot of fruits. Actually, I like this oranges and mosambis, pineapples. These are the fruits which I love. So we're going to eat this one. I'm just, you know, I have a very tasty thing delivered at my place right now, but I cannot eat due to this ascending order. But I'm very you know, excited to have it. But you guys will know it soon. I'm going to finish this. Also the battery is dying, so I need to go. I'll charge it, I'll finish this and I'll be back. Hi guys, so I'm back again. Today for the entire day I've been doing this thing, coming in front of camera, eating something, and yeah. But what I'm saying is the last thing which I had was Mosambi. So now it's time to have something bigger than Mosambi. So what I'm going to eat is, let me show you. Yes, I've settled down on my place. Saying is, now it's time to eat something bigger than Mosambi. So I'm eating bread. So I have this sauce along. This is Szechuan sauce and mayonnaise. So I'm going to mix this. Try this at home. Mix Szechuan sauce and mayonnaise. Makes a great combo. I love it. So I'm going to, you know, spread it on my bread and I'm going to eat this one because I just love this. We're going to, I hope you guys are able to see, because I cannot have sauce alone, so I have to, like, you know, spread it over this. This is bigger than the Mosambi that I had. Hi guys, so I'm currently editing the video that is going to go up today, but it's already 8 and we need to have dinner first, then we'll carry on with whatever things are left. Now for dinner I need to have something bigger than bread. So let's go down and let's see what mom has made for dinner. Let's see. I'm just going down.
Hold me close till I get up.
So I've bought the dinner plate in my room. So for dinner I'm having dosa. So this is rava dosa. It is not the actual dosa that we eat. This is instant one. And inside that I have stuffing. Now dosa is obviously bigger than bread. And here I have some chutney. And I'm going to eat this. I love dosa. I think this is going to be the last thing, because if this is not going to be the last thing, I'll have to find something bigger than dosa. And I don't think at night, like, what can be bigger than dosa? So I hope I don't get hungry. I'm just gonna finish this and see you guys later. Am I even visible? So guys, it's already 11 but I have still not uploaded today's video, and I'm just, you know, doing that, so, you know, logging in, and I'm just uploading that. So once I'm done with that, we'll carry on with today's challenge. So just finished uploading this 2-minute makeup challenge. So if you haven't watched it, go give it a watch. And look at the time, it's 11:30 right now, and I'm like done. Hi guys, so video is just uploaded. It was such a hassle. Last minute pe there were a lot of things which didn't went as expected. This 21 days I have been uploading all videos, and I didn't want that for a single video I would miss out this Divalogue series. So you guys saw that. Also the camera battery is about to go. From tomorrow my college is starting, so that is another thing. Have to wake up early. And yeah, we have successfully completed the I ate food only in ascending order challenge. So as I said, this was something which I thought of. I've not seen a single video of this kind on YouTube. So if you do like it, do let me know, because it makes me happy. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video.